So we all want to make 2025 our best year, but if you want to make it your cleanest year as well, you have to check this out. Organic Alley sent me over their lemon essential oil, and let me tell you that I am in love. Now, they sent it to me. However, all the thoughts and opinions are going to be my own. So I like to use this in my diffuser, but this is undiluted, is natural. You can use it on your skin. You can use it in a diffuser like me. You can also use it for cleaning. And when I tell you this smells amazing, that smells amazing. Now, I have put it in my diffuser just because I want that good burst of clean, energizing air to come through. But I also put it in an empty, like dispenser spray bottle with water and made an essential spray out of it. It's just basically something to spray on my chairs, my sofa, that's going to work like a Febreze, but a lot cleaner without any of the toxins that are in it. So if you are into this kind of thing, and trust me, you should be, you have to check this out by Organic Alley. Definitely one of my favorite essential oils.